Has this situation ever happened to you? You are working and somehow you accidentally closed some panel, either the properties panel or the project browser. And how do you bring it back? Of course, you can go through View, User Interface and turn the project browser back on. You can turn on properties in exactly the same way. That is one way. Well, a bit of a long one. If we closed it accidentally, we can right-click anywhere without selecting anything. And here are our properties. In the same way, right-click, and here is our project browser. Need to get into the Systems browser? We can also open the Systems browser the same way. And Fabrication parts. And what else do we have here? Use it if this was useful for you. And subscribe to the channel.